Toolbox tour, tool review. I am not even trying to remember what number this is anymore at this point. I'll give you guys a couple of seconds to look at this and see if you can figure out what it is. I think most of you guys probably know. This is for removing the ring that'll hold your fuel pump in your tank. And this is for the plastic tanks with the plastic ring on them. The ring's designed where it has little ridges all the way around it. And what this does is it goes in over those ridges. And this does both, if it's the ridge on the top or if there's like the ears on the side. This will go over both of them, and you just put a, looks like a 13 mil socket on there, and you just turn it, and you just back that ring right off and pull your fuel tank out. I've had this for a while. I was doing work on was it an Eclipse or something? Tons of years ago, and it called for a special tool to remove the ring for the tank, and that's like, and they specifically said you're not going to be able to do it with any universal one. Well, I kind of disagreed with that, and I bought this one, and it worked perfect. So it is what it is. But I've used this several times since then, and it's always worked. It's always been a pretty good tool. You just loosen your two screws, set it to whatever length you need, tighten these up, and then grab your socket, and you just back out that plastic ring and get your pump and filter and everything up out of the tank. But yeah, pretty good tool, no complaints. It's always worked. I remember doing one car where it was really tight, and it scraped one of the edges. Oh yeah, right here. So this edge is all scraped up. So that was probably going back in. So yeah, I mean, it's not super thin, but it's not really bulky either. It's just some cars they're real tight. Yeah, other than that, no, great tool. Don't know who makes it. I really need to look this stuff up before I grab the tool. But it doesn't have there's no name on it, but I'll look it up, and we'll put it down below in the description.